Okay guys, welcome to EngineerComic, free your imagination. In this video, as usual, we will continue our previous videos. And then it is the crankshaft. And this video aim to make the copy of this part where each of the part has their cowbell. At first, we will change the size of it, the length of this rod to be 20.57 for the length of this rod. Convert entities this to part to measure how much this distance, how long this distance, and what we got is 145.96. We we change our command because the linear pattern to copy this part, the couple of this part, and at first we delete this convert pattern or these two circle from that command, and then we choose linear pattern gain. We change the size to be 145.6896, and we choose body to immediately select the entire body of this object. Okay guys, maybe this is for today. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.